Hi, welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. This is Jason here, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the most popular timepieces that we sell here, which is the Rolex Air King, so stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. So today we're going to be talking about the beautiful Rolex Air Kings here, and these are probably one of the most popular timepieces that we do sell on our website. So I want to talk a little bit about the history behind it and also the sizings that these come in. So these were initially launched in 1945 by Rolex, and it was initially made for the British Air Force and their pilots. And then in about 1957, Rolex decided to release the 5500, which is probably the most quintessential vintage Air King that is available for Rolex here, and it's probably one of my favorites. So just to kind of dive a little bit deeper into this timepiece right here, it is a very simple complication. When you look at the dial right here, you can see that there's no date on there. It's kind of straight to the point. You do have the simple three-handed dial with the screw-down crown, which is really nice. These are available in very many colors, so that's the one thing I really love about this is because you can get one in a salmon dial, champagne dial, black dial. There's just so many different variations that are available. Same with the bezel style as well. The one thing that does stay consistent with the Air Kings is that they all come with the Oyster bracelet. These are in a 34mm case size, so at the time of Rolex releasing the Air Kings, these were probably the average dial style. Sorry, hold on. When Rolex initially released the Air Kings here, this was probably the most traditional size for timepieces, was about the 34mm case size. We do get a lot of clients that will purchase this online without really knowing that it is a 34mm case size, so I want to go ahead and try it on for you guys. I do have about a 6 3/4 to 7-inch wrist. And for me, I feel like this is a really nice size. I don't mind the smaller timepieces here. And for me, if I'm looking for an everyday wear, something that's simple, something that I can just kind of beat up and wear on a daily basis, I think the 34mm on my wrist size isn't very cumbersome. It's just a really nice size. However, if you are a larger body build or you do enjoy the larger case sizes, this may not be the one for you. However, in 2019, Rolex did do an update on the Air Kings here, and we're going to go over that here real quick. So again, 2019, Rolex decided they want to go ahead and re-release the Air King in a little bit of a larger case size, just so you get a little bit more of that modern touch and give it more of that sportier feel. So this is going to be in the 40mm case size right here. And let me go ahead and try this on, just so you can see the size comparison. And I'll also pair it with the Air King 34mm. So you can see there is quite a bit of a difference there between the sizes. So if you are interested in the Rolex Air King models and you are interested in the larger case sizes, I would definitely go for a little bit more of the modern style that was released in 2019, because that just may be a little bit better suited for you. And the larger case sizes are a little bit more of that modern look to it. So going back to the modern Air King here, there's a few things I do love about what they changed on this right here. Not only the larger case size, but if you take a closer look here, you do get that really gorgeous green second hand, as well as the green Rolex logo and the yellow You do get the classic Rolex green second hand with the green logo there with the beautiful yellow crown. I think that just really pops, adds a really nice texture and color to the dial right there. And I think it makes it stand out from the original Air Kings. So if you are interested in the Rolex Air Kings here, we do have them in the 34 and the 40mm case sizes. We have a great amount of these available on SwissWatchExpo.com, so check us out there.